Hi everyone, I'm trying to help you guys. 2021 Honda Accord. The hood on close. So pretty much I put these bolts up, I moved the whole latchet up and down and it was not working. I thought it was working was the trick, but it was not. So what I do is, see right here, I just push right here. I think is the right there. See, I just push with the screwdriver right there. I push a little bit because I think this cable, it's not retracting or it's not going back, something along those lines. Sometimes it would work that I push this. Sometimes you just push that and it works to the latch for the hood. Sometimes it would work, and I'm like, man, there must be something. I'll show you right now how it closes. See right there, boom, you hit it and it's not closing. Now I'm gonna push right here. Let me get, since I don't have in hand a tool, I'll use this literally. Some people know what's that. Boom. Right there. Right there. And I can tell, like, see the white stuff? Hopefully it pushes. Oh wait, I can tell it's pushing it. Whoops. I think you just retract the cable. Boom. You push right there into that white. See right there. You push, it retracts the cable. I think that's the problem right here. Boom, it's all the way. And look at this. You'll see it. It's like a magic. Let's see. Boom. There you go. Hope it helped, because I looked on YouTube and wasn't. I want to help you guys.